To enable or disable mobile data in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select network and internet, and when we enter it, we can go to the SIM card options and click on the mobile data right here to disable it, or click on it again to enable it. Alternatively, we can swipe down but from the top right corner of the screen and look for mobile data in those options right here. So if you manage to find it, you'll be able to also enable or disable it right here. If you cannot find it, just click on this pen button and look for mobile data in one of those options right here. So I think it's in the internet right here. Yep, we have mobile data in the internet option. It doesn't have the separate icon. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.